All right, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, sir. So we are moto camping. This is our shakedown trip. We are going to be doing a big trip on the Idaho BDR a couple weeks, so we had to shake down, test out our equipment here. So we got a really cool place. Had a really cool ride in here. I'll show some video of us getting out of here later on. But the main purpose of this particular video is to talk about the stuff that I am bringing for moto camping. And actually I'm going to show you in a little bit because I got to get it out. But the most important thing is I bought a cot. It fits nicely on the DRZ. We saw a video of the DRZ doing pure trail bike stuff. Now we got the video of the DRZ being the awesome adventure bike, pretending to be like this Tenere right here.
It's still a good adventure bike.
Oh yeah, it is. That was
also, now that
great
we're
drive.
Old, we need the cots.
We need the cots. So we will catch up with you in a little bit. All right, so what I wanted to talk about is what to take. So very specifically in this bag is everything to sleep with. So tent, pad, cot, game changer on the cot. And then on either side of these Tusk soft rackless panniers, I have on the one side, I have all of my clothing. And then on the other side is my camera gear and also a little bit of water and food. I have more space for water and food in a backpack, plus all of my toiletries in the tank bag, and then my fuel bag right here, which gives us plenty of I don't know, I'm gonna edit this part out because I kept plenty of capacity to spend multiple days out in the wilderness. And so now what we are going to show you is, if you have a hard time sleeping on an air mattress, boom, cot, game changer. Can sleep extremely comfortably.
Game changer.
Yes. So with that being said, it is time for me to shoot a Gatorade bottle. Yeah. All right, so this is the cool part about dispersed camping. Do you see it? Hi, buddy.
He's getting real close.
He sure is. How you doing, dude? Not a dude, probably. How you doing, girl? All right, supposedly I'm filming right now. Boom, boom. And we are doing our moto camping trip here. And this is part of the Oregon BDR, which we haven't done yet. We've done the Washington BDR. We're going to be doing the Idaho BDR. This is really, really soft. Good thing I got my new tires on though. I don't have the Shinko 700s anymore. I put on Shinko 805s. I'm a big fan of Shinko. And these 805s have really good paddle capability. Woo! Ah, that was stressful. I don't know if any of this stuff is going to come through on video. But that was weird. Okay, we're back on the road though, which is good. Okay. So, I'm either recording or I'm not recording. Sage words. But we got ourselves pretty turned around, and it was very, very difficult to get out of this particular juncture, but now I think we are rocking and rolling. So I am going to miss my shift. Anyway, okay. All right. So if I am recording, ooh, nice jump if I am. Woohoo! That was fun. We've had trail riding with the DRZ, and then now today we are adventure biking with the DRZ. Man, I hope I'm recording. This is freaking awesome. Muddy as fudge. This is like, yeah, it's like fudge. Okay, and then boom. DRZ can do it all. DRZ. Oh, I just hit something sideways. Hopefully these tires hold up for that, because that was pretty gnarly. Ooh, muddy. Muddy, muddy, muddy. Yeah, this is gnarly. Woo! It won't look like it on the camera, but this is pretty much very steep and extremely wet and slick, and so very challenging. But of course, on the DRZ, there's no limits to what you can do. Yoo-hoo! Okay. Oh man, this is cool. This is gnarly through here. Gnarly. Woohoo! And then now what I'm going to do is, this is crazy through here. Yeah, we're definitely on the ORBDR. So, oh, I see. So when the bottom one lights up, it's recording, and then when the top one lights up, it stops recording. Woo! Oh, shit. I just hit something hard. Oh my goodness, this is fun. Fun, fun. Extremely difficult. Not extremely difficult, but just muddy. A lot of fun though. DRZ handling it like a champ, of course. Gotta say, I am, yeah, the forward paddle capability of the Shinko 805s, I'll give them good marks for. The side to side is never that good on those because they have like a big long wide lug, but the paddle capability, if you're in the mud, is a lot better than I used to have with the Shinko 700 Trail Masters. Jump! So, and then there's Adam. He's off the bike. He's lost. Well, we'll join this again at some point when we know where we're going, eh? Okay, so we got ourselves unlost and decided to have a little bit of a quick competition to get back, see who could make it back to the main road quickest. And so this is Adam and I taking off and me trying to track him down. What I'm going to do is there's a section where I think I'm going to be a better rider. So I'm going to go kind of slow, hopefully keeping him in my sight. And then I'm going to make my move, or I'm going to crash. But really what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this part, kind of slow, and then make the move. And I know I just said that, but I'm repeating myself a lot. I'm definitely getting after it. But once the dust is done, not dust, but sand, silt, if you will, once that's done, then I'm gonna make my move. I'm gonna hit a branch and frickin' die. But yeah, Adam is better through the silt, 100%. Better through the silt. But I think I'm going to be better through the rock. Like these. Branch in the foot, I can't see, which is not good if you're riding fast. It's better to be able to see because of the dust and the sun. So it's either somehow getting around him. My bags are flying everywhere. Yeah, this is the section where I thought I'd be able to reel him in a little better. Whatever, Adam. Woo! You crushed my soul.